Spray foam can't be installed in the winter, they say. This is a myth. It's not true. Spray foam can be installed in quite severe weather, temperatures minus 15, minus 20 Celsius, and that's about 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit. It's cold. There are formulations out there that are quite capable of producing wonderful foam at those temperatures, but they're specially formulated to do so. You wouldn't want to use a winter formulation foam in the summertime. It's just not meant to be. All the technical data sheets, usually on the drums themselves, there will be a temperature limitation, a range of which you should apply this product. But if the myth is you can't spray it in winter, that's not true. You can.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.